you're installing any kind of dash cam, especially the modern ones that have special features on them, it can do parking mode. When your car is parked, it has still a lead to the electrical. So if it gets hit, it sets off the G sensor and you get a little protection. You need to hardwire that kit in. And there you get something like this. This is a hardwire kit. So when you get this, you're going to have a few different connections in there. It feeds right into your fuse box. It has some simple instructions inside on how to install it. You do need to have a little bit of know-how to understand what to tap into and what not to. I recommend something like a power probe or even one of those test light. This will just let you know which fuses are getting power when the car is off, which fuses are getting power when your ACC, your accessory, is on. Not very hard to install, gives you everything you need to get the job done. Just need to look up the instructions a little bit and just watch out, again, that you don't tap into somewhere where it could be draining out your battery, and making sure that you use it appropriately, which their instructions cover very capably. The price point on it is very reasonable, and the installation is made easy. Even from the beginning, it seems a little intimidating. You get 3 wires. One is going to be for constant power, one's for accessory when you put your key on, and the last one is going to be for ground. Hopefully you found this helpful. Stay handy.